Hi, Devi here from Hackages. Look, I have something cool for you. See, I have a type here, call, and it's just a simple, there's nothing in there, and that's not the most important part. The most important part is what is happening on line 3 and on line 6. You can see on line 6, there is like a red line saying there is an error. So what is the difference between line 3 and line 6? The main thing there is, if you look at the user here, that list of users says, hey, I'm an array of users, right? So here it's an array of users. That's basically what it says. Now, the main difference with the one below is it says I'm an array of one user. Why? Because here, what you see inside here, it's just saying I'm an array, and in that array you can only put one user right there. So if I go here and I just add right here one element, one empty object, you see the red line is gone, because that's exactly what it says. But if I go and add a second one, it's going to complain that no, I only need one thing in there. Okay, so how could you make sure that you could, for example, express the fact that I want an array of at least one user? Very simple. You will go here and say, okay, there is 3, but I want to make sure that it's at least one user in there. So what you're going to do is to actually add another array here, right? So once you do that well, what you're basically expressing here is to say an array of at least one user, and then you can add more user in there. So fundamentally what I'm explaining right there is this idea of typed, really strictly typed arrays, right? Because here I don't put anything, nothing complains, but here you have a way to really manage the way things are being typed in your code. Yeah, that's the tip. If you want to see more of this, on hackages.com there are plenty of options there, and yeah, check that out.